Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the pattern we are going to learn to knit today for today's tutorial. I have done this pattern with this button band and this border. This is the actual pattern, right? This is the actual pattern. You can use this pattern in your jeans sweater, lady sweater, hat as well. It will look very beautiful in your hat because this has this beautiful pattern like so. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl stitch. So this pattern, for this pattern you will need to cast on multiples of 7. This pattern is made of 3 and this pattern is made of 4. So 7 plus 4, sorry 3 plus 4. This pattern is made of 3 and this pattern is made of 4. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 and then 3 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. 2 edge stitch on both sides, one here and one here. If you are knitting this pattern with this border, with a border, any button band, you will need only one edge stitch here. You don't need edge stitch here because you already have this button band, right? If you are knitting this pattern with the button band, you will not need one edge stitch here. You will need only one edge stitch here. If you are knitting without the border, without button band, the button band, you will need 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration, I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 7 plus 7, 2 times 7, 14 and plus 3 extra stitch 17 and 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit. I'm gonna knit through the back loop. You can slip as well. You can knit through the back loop or slip. You can do both. If you knit through the back loop, you will get like this edge, right? Smooth edge. If you smooth edge here, right? This is the right side here. So edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after we have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have done 2 repeats here, 1 and here 2, and after you finish all repeats, you will have last 4 stitch, 3 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. For this last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and edge stitch knit. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3 and purl 4. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And your last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. Slip on the wrong side, and on the right side you will need this edge stitch through the back loop. Now row 3, For row 3, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, and here for these 4 stitches you will slip the first stitch and then knit these 3. So slip 1 and knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Purl 3, slip 1, knit 3. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, slip 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and slip 1, slip this slip stitch. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 3, slip 1. Repeat that again. Yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip 1. And your last 4 stitch, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and in front, slip 1, slip your edge stitch on the wrong side. Now row 5, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, yarn in back, and now we're going to twist this stitch to these 3, this 1 stitch and this 3 stitch, total 4. Twist 4 to the left way. We're going to twist this stitch here. We're going to bring this stitch here and these 3 here. So bring this 3 stitch here from the back side and this slip stitch here and these 3, put them back and then knit these 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this stitch, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, twist 4 to the left way, from the twist 4, knit 3, knit 1. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, twist 4 to the left way. First bring this 3 here, you can twist it like so, see, and then put this 3 back and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 1. And your last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit. Row 6. For row 6, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and purl 4. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And our last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and edge stitch and in front, slip on the wrong side. Now row 9, row 9, no, row 7. For row 7, knit edge row 1. So edge stitch knit through the back loop, or start the repeat from here and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat. Purl 3, knit 4. Again, purl 3, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8, wrong side, your edge stitch, knit edge row 2, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and purl 4. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip. Row 9, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back. And now from these 4 stitches, first you're gonna do knit 3 and slip 1. Here we did slip 1 and knit 3. Now we're gonna do knit 3 and slip 1. So knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and then slip 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, knit 3 and slip 1. Again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip 1. That's the repeat. Sorry, we have done 2 repeats, 1 and 2. Last 4 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 10, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, and in front, slip 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, slip 1, purl 3. Again, knit 3, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip. Row 11, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back. Now we're going to twist this stitch to the right way. So bring this 1 stitch here and these 3 stitches here from the front side. And knit 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Purl 3, twist 4 to the right way. From that twist 4, knit 1, purl, knit 3. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, twist 4 to the right way. Knit 1, knit 3, 1, 2, and 3. Last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1 2 3, edge stitch and in back knit. Row 12, last row, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1 2 3, and in front purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and then purl 4. Again knit 3, 1 2 3 and purl 4, 1 2 3 4. Last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1 2 3, then in front slip on the wrong side, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat these 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.